Hey guys, Shubham here back with another video. So today I'm gonna review Android 11 ROM for the Poco X2. So this is the one of the most finest ROM that I found. So if you guys haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please make sure to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notifications so you won't miss any videos about Poco X2. So you could clearly see the smoothness here. So let's check out the home screen, and on the home screen here you will able to rotate the home screen. So here, as you can see, you can use this like a tablet. So let's check out the notification panel, and on the notification panel you will get all the basic options like Bluetooth, flashlight, battery saver, night light, screen recorder, and this is option to clean RAM. So as you can see, you will get that basic Android 11 screen recorder here, and it's working perfectly. You can even record your device audio, and you can even record the both one. On this ROM you will get stock Android experience, of course you won't get any bloatware installed. Here you will get the basic camera app. I don't know why they included really basic camera. Yes, obviously you will get HDR and stuff, but you can't change the setting of this camera. So here, as you can see, you can record up to 1080p and 720p on the front camera, but you can install the Gcam which allow you to record in the 4K. So also Play Store is included with this ROM, so you don't need to install the Play Store separately. So let's check out the settings, and here you will get all those Android 11 settings. As you can see, even the notification light is working properly. So let's check out the battery settings, and on here, as you can see, you will get option to optimize the profile. So if you want to optimize any apps for the better battery, you can do that as well. You'll also get the battery saver, which will turn on the dark mode, restrict all the background activity, which will allow you to save the battery. This is one of my favorite feature, which is the adaptive battery, so it will limit the battery for the apps you don't use often. You will also able to see the battery percentage if you turn this on. So let's check out the display. On the display you will get option like adaptive brightness, screen timeout, and here you can change the color. You will get three options: boosted, adaptive. So I usually choose the boosted. You can't change much of the colors. On the lock screen here you can allow the notification and stuff. You can also add any text on the lock screen. You won't get option for the always on display though. You can also change the font size as well. So if you want bigger fonts, here you will get OZ. So on the sound here you can turn on the live caption, which will allow you to see the caption of the speech that playing on your video. You will also get option for the now playing, so you will able to see the songs that you are playing on the lock screen as well. So this is a feature from the Xiaomi port, so you can enable this and you will get better audio on the headphones. It doesn't work for the speaker though. So for the security, as you can see, the security update is on the based on the September 5. Also fingerprint is working perfectly. There is no option for the face unlock though. So on the advanced settings here you can change the refresh rate. You can even choose the 90 and the 120 fps. So it's based on your use. So I usually set on the 120, which is one of the fastest refresh rate. So if you want to save the battery, you can set it on the 90 or 60 as well. Here you will get option for the gestures. So if you want to open the camera, you can press the power button twice. So let me do that. Here, as you can see, it will open the main camera app. You'll also get option to change the navigation. So if you prepare these three buttons on down there, you can change that as well. So as you can see, this ROM is based on the Pixie OS, and the Android version is 11. As you can see, the security patch is up to date, and here you would able to see this animation for the Android 11 as well. So anyways, that's enough. Now I'm gonna show you guys how to install this ROM on your own device on the Poco X2 of course. So let's get started. Okay, so once you go to the recovery mode, go to the wipe and go to the advanced wipe, wipe the Delvic data and the cache. I'm having issue with the wipe here, but so now go to the install and install this ROM. So as you can see, it installed successfully. Now you can reboot the system. So as you can see, now it installed successfully. So anyways, this is how to install Android 11 on the Poco X2. I hope you guys enjoy. Please leave a like, subscribe, do all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.